When you want text to really stand out on a page, use Wordart to add outlines, shading, and other effects to your words. Select Insert Wordart and pick the Wordart style you want. Then enter your text. To convert existing text to Wordart, just select it and then select the Wordart you want. To customize your Wordart text, select it and then select a text fill and text outline. You can also create special effects like shadow, reflection, glow, bevel, 3D rotation, or transform your text into an arc or a circle. You can even rotate your Wordart text. Select the rotation handle and drag it to rotate the text.